So today we are in St. Peter's on Victoria Avenue outside this 2-bedroom terrace property. This is absolutely perfect for a first-time buyer to get yourself on the ladder. I'm Ben Seal from CR Real Estate and this is the perfect property for you.
I'm gonna be better, better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous, you don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better, better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous, you don't deserve it all.
Downstairs has an open plan living and dining area, offering plenty of space with tons of potential. To the rear of the property, you have a well-kept kitchen and pantry, plus a conservatory and outbuilding. If you work from home, you have plenty of options for where you can set up an office. Even a double garage has a room ready to convert into the perfect working space. Upstairs, you have a well-kept family bathroom, giving you the option of having either a bath or a shower. 2 double bedrooms with these lovely long windows, giving you plenty of natural light upstairs. Alright, so I call this the secret garden because looks can definitely be deceiving. So when you get to the top part of this garden, you have all this extra space which captures the sun all day long. Now you've had a look around this property, there's only one thing left to do. Give me a call today on 01843 265 100. I'm Ben Seal from CR Real Estate.